Hello and welcome to St. Thomas English Medium School, Surat. Standard 10th, Subject English, First Language. Today we are going to learn how to write dialogue writing. In the earlier video, we learned how to write a diary entry. Now, in board exams, diary entry and dialogue writing comes in option and it is for 4 marks. Today, we will understand what is dialogue writing. Dialogue writing. Let's understand the points. Dialogue writing means an oral conversation among or between people. Here, dialogue is written in such a way as though they are conversing between two people. While doing dialogue writing, the students need to pay attention that all the sentences are made in first person. So, when we write these dialogues, maybe of two persons, so the dialogue should be written as though they are writing in the first person. For both the persons, we will write in the first person, that is, in direct speech. We will try to see an example and understand how the conversation takes place among two different people. See an example of dialogue writing between a mother and a daughter. So here there are two characters. One is the mother and the other is the daughter. So the conversation among these two persons are shown here. We'll try to understand that and then I'll teach you how to write it. So two characters, one is mother. Let's see. Mother, what are you doing? Daughter, mother, I am busy with my homework. Again, mother, beta, your room needs cleaning. Why don't you clean it up? Daughter, I will do it after I finish my homework. Here you can see they are conversing among themselves. First, the mother is saying something and the daughter is replying to it. We'll see the whole dialogues between them. Mother, but how can you study in this mess? Daughter, it's all right. I am old enough to manage my things. You need not bother. Mother, it may not bother you, but it is not the right habit. Just see your table. At least clean your table right now. Daughter, no, I will clean up my table also later. Mother, with such untidy study table, how are you going to write? Daughter, but I am not going to sit on the study table to do my homework. I will sit on the bed to write. Mother, sitting on the bed to write? That's a bad habit. Daughter, Arey mom, please go away. Once I finish doing my homework, I will do everything. So this was a dialogue delivery between the mother and the daughter about the cleanliness of a room. And see how the mother is saying the things and the daughter is responding to it. You could see both were speaking. After the mother, the daughter said. And in the same way, the whole conversation was built up. So this is dialogue between a mother and a daughter. Now we will learn how to write in the book the format of it. So let's see. Let's understand the format of dialogue writing. Dialogue writing format. I want you all to open your book, the page. Here we are going to write the dialogue between the mother and the daughter. So there were two characters and accordingly we are going to write the dialogue. As we saw earlier, in my story or in my dialogue writing, I wrote the mother as the first character and the second character as the daughter. So before I start, I'll write just give a heading to it. Dialogue writing between a mother and a daughter. Now, as I said, first the mother. So I'll write mother. What are you doing? Now here if you see, after I wrote mother, I left some space, used the punctuation mark colon and then left little space and wrote what are you doing? Now if you are writing in your creative story, you can either start with mother or daughter. Now if you look here, the mother is saying what are you doing? So this is in first person. Mother is saying directly what are you doing? And she is telling to her daughter. Now the daughter is going to respond to it. So let's see how the daughter responds. Daughter, mother, I am busy with my work or homework. So when I wrote mother, you could see here I have left only little space so that the colon that I'm putting, it should match the upper one. It is in order or in a proper sequence. And again left little space and then wrote the dialogue. Now here you could see both the dialogues have been written. The answer is there. The daughter is responding to what the mother is saying and the dialogue is written here. When the daughter is writing the dialogue is in first person. Mother, I here is the daughter. I am busy with my homework. So you could understand here. When the mother said, mother asked to the daughter, what are you? You here is the daughter. You can understand here. So this is the way to write in first person. And you can use your creativity to write here or you can improvise to what is written here. Okay. So the next question or next that I'm going to write is being again asked by the mother. So let's see here. Mother, beta, your room needs cleaning. Why don't you clean it up? Again see, I have left the space. The colon is in proper line. Now if you see here, this dialogue is continuing to the second line. And when such lines are continuing, I did not start here under the mother. Don't you clean it up. I wrote it here. Now the reason why I wrote here is because the presentation that I want to put up. When I write like this, my presentation is good and neat and it is very clear. Here itself I can see the mother, these both are the dialogues of the mother and it is continuing here. And when I write the next dialogue, I will not write daughter here, I will write the daughter here so that it seems a good presentation. Let's see, daughter, I will do it after I finish my homework. Here you can see the daughter is saying, again here it is in first person and it has been written in this way. There is, I have left no lines in between, but still you can see the presentation is very neat and clear. It should be neat and clean. So you can continue writing the same thing. We have already seen the dialogues between the mother and the daughter. I want you all to finish this, the dialogues between the mother and the daughter. Now, I would also like to add up, the marks are distributed in this way. 2 marks are for creativity, how creatively you are writing. 1 mark is for the language that you are using, and 1 mark for the content and the grammar. So that sums up to 4 marks. Did you get? So this is the way you can write a dialogue between or among 2 persons or 3 persons. You are free to write in your own way. You can use your creativity to write dialogue writing. Okay. Now let's see the other one. You are Hardik, a student. Write a dialogue between you and your father discussing about COVID-19 cases in the city. Here I want you all to open your book and write this question, and you have to use your creativity to finish this dialogue. So first let's understand what the question is. You are Hardik, so your character is Hardik, and you are going to discuss about COVID-19 cases in the city between whom? Your father. Okay. So the format, you know what is the format. I will give you a start. You can continue with that start, or you can improvise yourself and then start, or you can use your creativity and start another one. Okay. Let's see. The page is ready. I'll just give a heading to it. So dialogue writing between Hardik and his father. His father, that is third person, but here the dialogue should be in first person, both of Hardik and of his father. So if you want to start with the father, you can start. You can, if you want to start with Hardik, you can. You are free to use any of these. So let's see. I'll just give a brief, or I'll just give a start of it, and then let's see. Hardik, Dad, please allow me to go and meet my friends. See, again I have left space, the colon is there, space, and then I have writing. Now the second is Hardik, so second will be father, so I'll write father. Beta, are you not aware about the rising cases in the city? See, again here the space is there, enough space I have left. The colon has been placed properly, the space has been given. The continuing line I did not write under the father, I left that space and I'm writing here. So my work is seen here. The presentation is very neat and clean. You are supposed to write in this way. This is just a start, and if you want to add more, see, it is of 4 marks. So there should be minimum 4 dialogues of Hardik and 4 dialogues of the father. Okay, 4 dialogues of Hardik and 4 dialogues of the father. This is one, this is two. You can continue writing it. And I want all of you to finish this dialogue writing. You can continue, as I said, you can use your creativity to finish this, or you can start a fresh start about COVID-19 cases. So here, the dialogues that you are writing, it should not end up with something else. It should be related to COVID-19 cases. Okay. See, Hardik is writing again. No, dad, could you explain in detail? So he wrote that. Now you can add it, or you can write. Until next video, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you.